that's a big bass. That's a 10-pounder all day. We're gonna weigh it. What's up, guys? Today we are doing some farm pond fishing, and I'm gonna see if I can catch me one of these giant 10-pound bass in this pond. That's the goal for today. Catch a giant bass. Probably have to catch a few small ones to get the big one, but I think we're gonna catch a giant bass. So let's go. Oh, I got one. Dadgum, it's a hog, son. It's a hog, son. Guys, this is a big one right here. Holy cow. Holy cow. Ooh. Oh my God, he's pulling out drag. Guys, this might be a big one. Oh, it is. It's a good one. Oh, he's all in the mud. Come out of there. Oh, he come off. I was trying to shake the grass off of him. We seen him, guys. It counts. He bit the square bill. Sweet. I was just creeping along real slow, and he come and tapped it. Didn't even really feel like I had a fish on me. See if I can do that again. He was probably about 2.5 pounds, maybe 3. So guys, right now the water is up really high. We had a bunch of rain. The water's really muddy. So these bass have low visibility. They are up near the surface of the water and they're pushing the bank. So I'm throwing this flat-sided square bill that dives 1.5 foot, really shallow diving square bill, and I've got 10-pound copolymer on here. And I've got a Silverado Ghost medium action. It's a 7 foot. It's a cranking rod paired with my Spark Pro, which is an 8-1-1 gear ratio. So with this 8-1-1 gear ratio, I can really burn it in fast if I want to, or I can slow it down really slow and creep it, which is what I'm doing right now. Since the water's cold, seems like that's what they want. Every time I start reeling it really fast, I see that I spook them. I'll see them run off. Guys, another reason I'm throwing the square bills because I keep seeing these fish up near the top of the water swirling. So I know they're up on top of the water right now. And they're big too. And I tried throwing the top water yesterday. Could not get anything to bite the top water. So I'm thinking they want something subsurface like a square bill here. Also tried a rattle trap yesterday. Couldn't get anything on rattle trap. There he is, right at the bank, right at the bank. Well, that's 2 on the board, guys. We got 2 on the board. Now I'm working my way up to that 10-pounder. We'll get him. Watch. You just watch. We'll get that 10-pounder. Seems like they like biting right at the bank. I don't know why. It's like they follow it and then they just make their decision right at the bank to bite it. Oh my God, that's a big bass. Oh my God. Oh my God, right at the bank too. Oh, that's an 8-pounder, guys. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That's a big one. Oh my God. Oh, he's big. Oh, he's big. Oh, he might be 10, he might be 10. I got tiny little hooks and 10-pound line. Oh my God, don't come up and shake. Don't come up and shake. Come here, baby. Oh, he's big. He's so big. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, come on up here. Come on. Oh, no. You gotta keep him down, boys. You gotta keep him down. He's got one hook right there inside of his mouth. I thought I hooked a log right at the bank. Oh my God. Come on up here, son. Jeez. I can't get him in, guys. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. That's what I'm talking about, baby. There she is, boys. That's a 10-pounder. Look at that fish, boys. That's a 10-pounder all day. We're gonna weigh her. Check out that bass. Guys, that is a behemoth. Look at this thing. Look at the mouth on that joker. I'm shaking, my adrenaline and my blood is flowing so bad right now. Don't tell me the scale's dead. No. Damn. Well, guys, my scale's dead. My other scale isn't working, so I couldn't weigh it, but I guess she's at least 10 pounds. Look at that bowling ball gut on that thing. Look at that bass. Jeez. All right, let's let her go. Let's get a good release on her. Catch her breath. Oh, there she goes. She's off. All right, that's how you catch a 10-pound bass. Hit that thumbs up, drop a comment down below of what your PB is, what you caught it with, and we'll see you again next time.